Welcome to a tutorial video on learning Ren'Py. In this video, I'm going to talk about editing the screens file. Within each project created within Ren'Py, there is a script file, GUI file, options, and finally screens. This is one of the 4 default files that the Ren'Py 7 launcher gives us access to. When we're looking at a project, we can select it on the left-hand side and then access one of these 4 files. When we're editing the screen files, we're actually changing how screens are presented in Ren'Py. Screens, as a review, are what we see when we use Ren'Py. We're actually moving through different screens and interacting with them, even if we're not aware we're doing it. In fact, I've pulled up the question here, one of 2 different examples that come with the Ren'Py 7 launcher. What we're looking at is the main menu screen. When we select Start, we're looking at the Say screen. So we're actually constantly using screens in Ren'Py, again, even if we're not aware we're doing it. So all of these default screens, main menu, say, about, things like that are defined in the screens file. And again, the Ren'Py 7 launcher gives us quick access to change these if we want. So we're looking at an example here in the question. We see text at the bottom and an image in the background. Well, again, like I mentioned, this is the screen Say. And in fact, we can look at that if we move over to the code behind here. We see starting on line 80 in the screens file is the in-game screens. And I mentioned this was the Say screen, and that's what we were looking at. So this Say screen is defined starting at line 85. And we see it is defined in the screen language. In a previous video, I've reviewed some of the basics of the screen language, but the screen language allows Ren'Py to define containers, things which contain things, and different other displayables, text and images, styles, and things like that are defined within the screen language and allow the language to define screens. So we see here an example of that using the default Say screen, which is how text is normally displayed to users. So we see screen Say, who and what. It is a window, the ID window. If who is not none, which is to say it didn't get past anything, which we saw in default, we see window, text who, ID who. If not, text what, ID what. So we see here the presentation of the text we see when we normally click through or position through a visual novel in Ren'Py is the screen Say. And again is defined as one of a number of different in-game screens that are defined in the screens file. If we ever wanted to change this and change how the default text is presented to the user, we can change these files right here and change any of these screens. So we see here the Say screen is defined on line 85. We see the input screen is starting to define on line 159. Choice screen, quick menu screen, and as I talked about, main and game menu screens, called navigation here, are all defined within this file. And we saw here, those were the same options we saw. If main menu, start, otherwise load, preferences, main menu, about, these are all screens. And notice we see them all defined here. So again, as a review, screens is one of the 4 default files the Ren'Py 7 launcher gives us access to. Along with script, options, and GUI, there's also screens, what we're looking at here. Screens defines all of the things we interact with. They are screens. Things like the Say screen, which shows text, the main menu screen, which we look at when we pulled up this first example here, and as we're currently looking at the Say screen in the question. All of the things we interact with are screens, and they are defined in the screen language in Ren'Py, and all of their definitions are defined in the screens file. So whenever we want to change what the default screens look like, if we want to change the main menu, change the Say screen, change presentations of input, we can do any of that by changing the screen language definitions within the screens file. Thanks for watching.